Imagine standing in front of a giant mirror, looking at yourself, not just your reflection today, but every stage of your life. Close your eyes and travel back in time, back to those early years when you first learned to walk, when your laughter echoed freely, when your days were filled with nothing but play and wonder. Back then, time was just a vague concept. All that mattered was the thrill of each new day. Then, you grew up. 12 years of schooling passed by in a blur of lessons, friendships, and fleeting dreams of the future. You sat by the classroom window, imagining the adventures adulthood would bring. You longed for the day you would enter university, where new doors would open, and life would truly begin. 4 years in college came and went, filled with studying, striving, and preparing for what lay ahead. And now, you are 22 years old. A quarter of your life has already passed. But have you truly lived? Time is not infinite, yet humans act as if they will live forever. We wait, we postpone, we assume that opportunities will always be there. But do you realize that with each passing moment, a piece of your life is lost forever? Dreams are put on hold, words of love remain unspoken, journeys are left unexplored, regrets silently accumulate as we let time slip away. Many have lain on their deathbeds, realizing too late that they never truly lived. They spent too much time pleasing others, chasing societal expectations, and ignoring their own desires. They regretted not saying "I love you" when it mattered, not pursuing their passions, not dedicating enough time to the people who meant the most. If you don't change today, will you face the same regrets at the end of your life? But don't be afraid, it's not too late. You still have time to turn your life into something meaningful. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because it will never come. Love more, speak your truth, and chase the things that set your soul on fire. Live with gratitude and appreciate what you already have instead of endlessly yearning for what you don't. Happiness isn't found at the destination, it exists in every step of the journey. Don't lose yourself in society's expectations and forget who you truly are. Try something new each day, love deeply, forgive often, and live in a way that leaves no room for regret. Life is finite, but the way you live it defines its worth. Don't let time slip through your fingers, waste it on things that don't truly matter. Live so that, when your final day arrives, you can smile and say, "I have lived a life without regret."